Hey everybody, this is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, welcoming you to this edition of the Get Moving Minute. This week we're still talking about food, and we're talking about planning in particular. Did you know that we make over 200 decisions a day about what we're going to eat? And as the day goes on, our energy to keep doing this becomes a little bit depleted. So we know that if we're planning what we're going to eat ahead of time, it's beneficial for a few reasons. Okay, number one, it's going to reduce the amount of time, that in the moment energy that you need to use up when you're tired, hungry, or just generally done after a long day. Number two, we know it reduces unplanned eating, because if you decide what you're going to eat before you get hungry or encounter some sort of trigger for you, like the office party cake or the smell of a bakery, right? You get the idea. Number three, we also know planning is going to help us because we know through research that pre-planning helps us better stick to our goals, whether they're weight loss goals, career goals, whatever, right? You got to have a plan. Number four, we know that it's going to help you incorporate foods that you love with variety and flavors into your overall healthy eating pattern. And it's also going to help you make your grocery shopping quick and efficient so that it's a no-brainer. Okay? So for all these reasons, as health coaches, we often really support the idea of planning with our clients, especially when they're first getting started with a health and wellness program, coaching program, and they're trying to create a healthier pattern of eating. So planning is definitely part of it. Definitely set yourself up for success by coming up with a plan so that you don't have to make all these decisions throughout the day. Just think about, are you going to use a meal planning tool? Think about what's in your fridge. Think about your own personalized recipes, having some go-to things set aside. If you need help, you can always work with a healthy coach and find out more about that at friscofitcity.com. This is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, reminding you to get up, get out, get moving each and every day. Make it a great day.